In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Adobe Acrobat extension from Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Chrome, how to find the right extension, and how to remove it cleanly so your browser goes back to using its built-in PDF viewer. Start by opening Google Chrome. In the address bar at the very top, type chrome/extensions and press enter. This takes you straight to Chrome's extensions page, which is the built-in dashboard that lists every add-on installed in your browser. It's a safe, standard page. No downloads or special tools required. You'll see each extension displayed as a card with its name, icon, and a few controls. Next, look through the list for the Adobe Acrobat extension. It may be labeled simply as Adobe Acrobat, or you might see the longer name Adobe Acrobat PDF Edit Convert Sign Tools. The icon typically uses Adobe's recognizable red branding, which makes it easier to spot. Take a moment to be sure you're on the correct extension. Chrome can host multiple PDF-related add-ons, but the one you want mentions Adobe in the title. Once you've located it, remove the extension. On the Adobe Acrobat card, click Remove. Chrome will show a quick confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to uninstall it. Click Remove again to confirm. That's it. The extension is now uninstalled from Chrome. You'll notice the card disappears from the list, and if the Adobe Acrobat icon was visible on your toolbar, it will no longer appear there. A quick note on what this change means. Removing the Adobe Acrobat extension only affects the add-on inside Chrome. It does not delete any of your PDF files, and it doesn't uninstall the separate Acrobat desktop application if you have that installed on your computer. After removal, Chrome will use its own built-in PDF viewer for files you open in the browser, so you can continue viewing PDFs without any interruption. If you don't see Adobe Acrobat on the extensions page, it's likely already gone. In some environments, you might notice a message indicating that an extension is managed and cannot be removed. That simply means the option is restricted in your browser setup. Otherwise, the remove button should be available as shown, and that's all there is to it. You opened the extensions page, identified the Adobe Acrobat entry, and removed it with a quick confirmation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your browser.